Everybody listen. Anyway. Ooh, so the Chinky Award. Pretty self-explanatory. So this goes to the person with the most singing hands. So people with Chinese blood, you know who you are.
Our nominees for the Chinky Award. Kenny, go.
First name.
Next up, we have Jacqueline Shura. Third, we have Hazel Lim. And fourth, George.
Yeah!
And the winner is. Shout out, pretty good.
Oh yeah! That's my boy.
Come here.
So George, how do you feel about winning this award?
I feel great. I feel great. Kahit walang kwenta yung award. Mananalo. Thank you very much.
So, what do you think is your greatest asset why you got this award?
Hindi ko kasi late lang.
Alright, George.
So here's your award. Treasure chest. Let's give it up again for George for being the most first one. You didn't really help Mr. Born that way. So our next award, while we wait for them to finish taking pictures, is the Shakespeare Award. So the next three awards actually are language awards. The Shakespeare Award being going to the award going to the person who is the best English speaker in the land.
The best speechwriter in Balards is getting the award business. I don't get award this
That joke didn't work.
Yes. Next, so our nominees. Then you go again.
Give him a round of applause.
Come on, guys.
The next nominee for this award, Joseph Taguio.
Yo,
Our next nominee is
picture tayo.
Yeah,
Wait lang, go.
And the last nominee for this award, Jaren Rex.
Jaren!
And the winner is please come up here to get your award. The treasure chest with
Okay lang.
It appears as though this is another capital award.
Okay.
Capital, makulang kayo.
Grab,
Jex!
hawakan yung guitar.
Jex, sumama ka na!
Yung guitar.
Jex, sumama ka na!
Oh, hindi sinama si Jen. I think, dapat meron ka speech, but your speech was forfeited for class picture taking.
Okay. Our next award, so there's a Best Philippine, Best,
Wala na, sinabi mo na.
Fail.
So kung may best speaker in English, we also have Serizal Award. Ang pinakamagaling na magbibigkas sa wikang pinagkuha ng ating banyan.
You know when I was in grade 7, I got that award. Yeah. Will you believe?
Okay.
Anyway, first nominee for Best Filipino Speaker, Joseph Taguio. Our next nominee, Lance Cali.
Ang susunod ay si Paolo Blanco. At ang huling
At ang nanalo ay
ang nagwagi everyone, you know, makes long speeches. That's true.
Sir Mardan, sorry pero hindi yan yung award na gusto mo. Kaya rin sir na sorry pero anyway, I would like to thank the people who gave me this Best Filipino Award. I realize that thank you so much for everyone who voted for me and yeah.
Nagbibilit.
Okay. Ang hirap mag-English!
Eh, bigyan na natin sa kabila.
Okay. Hello naman. Salamat sa inyo. Pagkalubang loob na lang to at walang binigay yung journal, yung egg, at saka yung face. Hindi English award din. Meron mo kanina.
Si Tim.
Si Tin, pampalubang loob na lang sa amin to ni Tin kasi yung walang best in English na binigay, tapos walang best in
Oy,
binigay,
that's-
tapos walang best in journal.
I prefer a treasured chest than a melon.
Ah,
May candy pa yan sa loob.
Yes. It's filled with chocolate coins and chocolate. So if we have Best English Speaker Award and Best Filipino Award, it's only right that we have a Most Konyo Award.
The Malansang fish. Very malansa is the fish for this award.
Where is Joseph Steve?
Martin, ano yung konyo?
Is the winner
Ano
of
yung
this
konyo?
award. So our nominees.
Paano mo na-nominate for Best English tas walang some fish at the same time?
Let's start. We have
Flora.
Wow!
our third nominee, Addison Escobar.
And our last nominee.
Isabel. Isabel. So guys, who do you think won the award?
Flora!
Shout it out.
They all are nominated. Anyway, so the winner is drum roll.
Malansang fish ang putik.
Salamat.
Ay!
Salamat very much. Salamat very much.
Okay, he's busy. So, before we go on to our next set of awards, we're going to have another performance. And this is going to be a bit of a special performance, I guess. Because it's not just going to be singing, it's also going to be dancing all at the same time. So, please give it up for Reina Adriano, Kenneth Tabapunda, Lian Luceras, and Rhea Panos. And Darius Adano.
This group, we are Joe Matrea. Okay. So, Ian, while your bandmates are prepared, tell us about your performance this evening.
We're gonna have a special song from Devotion featuring
So, what do you want to express?
Hope.
Wow.